Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Exam Master. Today we are going to see different options in paste. Generally we use Ctrl plus V for paste. In that case the total content of the cell will be copied, but in Ctrl special we can use these options separately. For Ctrl special you can right click after copying the cell, you can right click and you can see the paste special to use it. First is operations. Here if you copy this and select paste special, you can see the operations. In this we can use the basic mathematical problems. For example, add. If you add, number in the cell is copied with the cell. 1 plus 2, it became 3. Like this, subtraction, multiplication and divide we can do. Next, values. Here only the content, that means number, text and the results. If you have entered a formula for some calculations, in that case only the results from the formula will be pasted. Example, here you have entered this and you have added these two cells. So if I copy and paste special, if I select values, only the values will be copied. Next, formula. In this case only the formula from the cell will be copied. If I am having 2 3 here, this is the formula which gives 3. I can copy and paste special, I can select formulas. So the formula from this cell is copied to here. Next, in transpose, we can convert the direction of the cells from horizontal to vertical and vertical to horizontal. See, I am copying the cells and I am pasting it with transpose. So previously it was in horizontal direction, now it changed to vertical. Again, if I copy this and I do the transpose from vertical, it will be converted to horizontal. Next, in formatting, the text size, alignment of the cell, border and font size, cell color will be copied. So here I am now changing this like this. If I am copy and I will go here and I will do, this is formatting. So previously it was left aligned, now it changed to according to this, the cell color, this one, everything changed. Next is paste link. With this option you can link the cell, content of the cell. Means here if you go, you can select this is paste link. If I, so the total content of the cell is linked here. If I want to edit, it will reflect in the cell, so it got changed. Now picture. In this option the content will be copied and pasted as picture. You see here picture, so it is pasted as picture. You can move wherever we want and locate it. Next is paste with link. The small difference between these two options is this one simply copies the picture, but with this option you paste it as with linked picture. Means if you edit the cell, it will be reflected in the picture as well. So it is picture with link. Next is comments. Here I have entered a comment option, insert comment, and if I copy and if I go for paste special and comments, so the comments alone will be copied. See, the comments is copied. Next is validation. Here I have already entered a data validation with the range of these 10 cells. I have to drag down and select from any of these. If I type anything else, this error occurs. User have restricted values that can be entered into the cell. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel.